All right, hello my fellow investors, it's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a high yield dividend portfolio that I worked on for you guys, especially that are new investors. This is going to be a very beneficial portfolio for you guys. Now, before we start the video, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Once you sign up with Acorns, I'm going to be doing a stock giveaway this weekend, and you're going to be getting a free stock, which is Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is a really good company. They pay a good dividend, and they're just, good. So signing up gives you a chance to actually win an $128 stock. So check that out. Also, because we reached 5,000 subscribers, I'm also going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. This is also going to be this weekend. So stay tuned for that. And once we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another stock giveaway. Same thing when we hit 7, 8, 9, and 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to be doing stock giveaways throughout that time as well. So stay subscribed and stay tuned for that. So let's start off with the video. All right, so the first company I want to talk about is Prospect Capital. Now, a lot of people don't give this company a lot of attention or a lot of recognition, but I do. I've been buying this stock since 2016, and I've kept adding it to my portfolio every year. Now, this stock does have a dividend yield of 9.92%, which means that they pay a 6-cent dividend per share every month. Not every quarter, every month. So the good thing with this one is that every month you see a return. And that's one of the reasons I do recommend you using this, especially for new investors. It is a riskier stock, but they pay a constant dividend. And again, they've been constant with their dividend of 6 cents per month since I've had it in 2016. So this is one of the stocks that I recommend putting in your portfolio, especially if you're a new investor, because you want to see quick returns and you want to see your portfolio grow as quickly as possible. So this is one of the stocks that you can use. All right, so the next company I'm going to be talking about is AGNC Investment. Now, this company has a 9.54 dividend yield, which means they do pay 12 cents every month. So they pay pretty much double of what PSEC pays, and they also pay this monthly. So understand that they pay 12 cents every month, just to be clear. But this is another way you can diversify the portfolio and get a monthly return. And at this price, it's honestly a steal. It's a good investment. And again, like I said, because you're a new investor and you're trying to get as many returns as possible, this is the safest, best way to do it. So seeing these monthly returns is really going to help you grow your portfolio every month. And by the end of the year, you should have good returns. All right, so here we're going to be talking about Realty Income. Now, Realty Income is one of the giants. They are considered the monthly paying dividend stock. That's their quota. So take them by their word. They're actually one of the best. I own a lot of shares in this company, and proudly. They're the safer of the 3 stocks that I've recommended so far, and they're a giant. So the stock price is a little more hefty, but the safeness of the stock is a little bit better. So you have PSEC and AGNC, which have really high yields, but they are a bit more risky. Realty Income is a bit more on the safer side. They're a huge corporation, and they're worth the price, like I said. So you won't regret having this stock in your portfolio. Again, they do pay a monthly dividend of 23 cents. And like that, you can see good returns and also diversify your portfolio enough so you can actually have some safeness into it. So this is actually a good company to be adding to your portfolio. All right, so the last stock I want to talk about here is AT&T. Now, AT&T has a 7% dividend yield, and for a company this big, the dividend yield is so good. They pay a 52-cent a quarter dividend per share, so every 3 months they pay 52 cents. Now, this doesn't give you a monthly return, but it does pay a really good dividend after 3 months. And I'm telling you, this is just one of the best undervalued stocks out there. And this is a staple to any dividend portfolio. And, this is just something that you have to look at, that AT&T is honestly one of the best in the market for dividends. So between those 4 stocks, guys, your dividend yield will be about 7.58%. So averaging all those companies in your portfolio, a 7.58 return is really good. So that's something you have to have in mind, guys. That those are pretty good returns for someone that's barely new to the market. If you have $1,000 or $100, those are good companies to buy into. Now, if you want a bigger yield, then you buy into the bigger yield companies, which is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital for me is a bit safe just because I've had it for the past, 5 years, and they've constantly paid their 6-cent dividends. So that's a company that I just kind of trust a bit, and that is a huge part of my yielding portfolio. So you can add more stocks of PSEC, and then, a little bit less into AT&T and Realty Income, and then AGNC stock up in a bit too. And like that, your yield goes up a bit more and your returns are higher. But understand that I'm not here giving you financial advice. I'm here telling you something that I've done before that has worked for me and has helped me grow my portfolio real quick. If you want a safe dividend portfolio, like I said, this is one of them. It's something that you can diversify well and actually have good returns. So if you're not someone that wants to risk your money in the market, these are the stocks that you should check out that can actually give you a good return at the end of the year. So something to check out, something different. We've been talking about a lot about the hype stocks, but this is a little safer way where you guys can actually invest your money and be a little safe with it and get good returns at the end of the year. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.